Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to add a color mode on a portrait. So here this is the image and here is the background layer. So I'm going to copy this background layer to check later the before and after. Just press Ctrl and J. So here is the layer 1 is the copy of this background layer. I'm going to filter and convert this layer to the smart filters. So this layer is converted to the smart filter, and now I'm going to the take filter of camera raw filter. On this camera raw filter, I'm going to increase the exposure a little bit and increasing the contrast as well, and decreasing the highlight a little bit and giving the shadow around 60. Here I'm increasing the clarity and increasing the DS as well. A little bit increased vibrance will look better. So I'm decreasing the saturation. Now I'm going to split tuning to make the color mode. So on split tuning we have two portions. One is highlights and one is shadows. So on shadow portion, just press the Alt button. Here we are seeing the saturation is 0, but if you press the Alt button and drag the hue, then saturation will show like 100%. So I'm pressing Alt button and dragging the hue. This color looks okay. Now I'm going to increase the saturation. So here I took 82% saturation. On highlights portion, I am again pressing the Alt button and dragging the hue. This yellowish color is okay with this shadow. Now I'm going to increase the saturation around 80. On this image, I'm going to add some grains to look it more beautiful. So give it around 25 and make the size is 0 and roughness will be 0 as well. Now I'm going to pop up these lips and increase the red as well. So I'm going to saturation and giving a positive reds. So now it looks beautiful than before. So here we done the initial color grading in camera raw. So click on OK. Here I am going to make more dramatic eyes, therefore I am taking the adjustment layer of curves and just make it more brighter. Now take the negative layer mask by pressing Ctrl and I. So here we have taken the negative layer mask. Now take the brush tool and give the foreground color white. and take the soft brush and decrease the brush size and just drag over the eyes. So now check, this is before and this is now. This is before and this is now. Now I'm going to take another adjustment layer to make the hairs more dramatic. Now take the adjustment layer of curves and again make it more brighter. And again take the negative layer mask and give the foreground color white and take the brush tool and just brush over the hair and give the flow around 25. Now just have a look. This is before and this is after. I think this is much more pop-up than before. So now today I'm going to show you the easiest way of dodge and burning. Therefore I'm taking the adjustment layer of curves and making it more brighten. Just take the negative layer mask like before and take the soft brush tool and foreground color white. Just brush on the area where we need more brighten. Flow will be reduced more, around 15%. This is before and this is after. So let's check what was the initial photo and what is now. This is the initial photo and this is now. So we will add a light from this left side. Therefore take a blank layer and take the soft brush tool and give the foreground color is yellowish. Just click on the middle for one time. So here the flow is 27%. I'm increasing it to 100%. Just click on the middle. And now give the blending mode to screen and reposition it where is needed actually. So increase the light size. It looks perfect now. Reducing the opacity around 80%. So here is the final output of this image. Now check what was the initial photo and what is now. This is before, this is before, and this is after. This is how we can make a portrait better by adding color modes. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting. Thank you.